Hey everyone, Chang here and welcome to my channel. This is the practice problem video series where basically I go over problems that I feel like address a certain math concept very well, or it's just a problem that you might see in a standardized testing environment. Now, in order to best utilize this video series, what you're going to do is that every time I introduce the problem, pause the video. Try to solve it yourself. Once you feel like you either got the answer or you might need a little extra push, then continue the video. Well, let's begin. Alright, so here's our practice problem for today, and I gotta say, when I first saw this problem, I loved it, right? This is the type of problem that I would come up with, like the ones who have a chip on their shoulders, just looking to make someone's life miserable. That's it, right? So here it is. When a is a positive integer, well, I mean, a in this case, a positive integer, a is a variable, so that we know, and a divided by 6 has a remainder of 2. What is the remainder of a squared divided by 6? Now, here's the thing. With a problem like this, especially in a standardized test, when you look at it, you're just like, oh my god, what the heck do I do? Where do I even start? Now, some of us might just jump right in and be like, all right, we got to do some complicated math to figure out what, generalize this so that we know it's always going to be a remainder of 2, and then we're going to square it and all that nonsense. Not necessary. In this case, what you're going to do is you're going to choose a number. Make your life simple, right? Well, if we know that a is a number such that when you divide it by 6 has a remainder of 2, let's just make up a number. Well, to choose a number, let's just choose the smallest one, the easiest one we can think of. What is that? 8, right? 8 divided by 6 is a remainder of 2, so let's just say, let a equals 8. Now, we know that 8 divided by 6 is a remainder of 2. Well, a squared is 64. All right, 64 divided by 6 in this case is what? 10 minus 60 or 4. So it's going to be 10 remainder 4. Now, in a standardized test, after you do this, you're done. Just choose 4. You're good. But let's just say we're a little nervous. We're a little scared because we chose 8. Well, it might not be. Let's just choose another number that has a remainder of 2 after you divide it by 6. Well, the next biggest one is what? 14. So let's do that. Let a equals 14. All right. Well, a squared is one very quick 196. Check my math. I might be wrong on that. 196. Well, in this case, 196 divided by 6. 6 goes into 19 3 times. That's 18. 1 6 goes in there twice. 12 minus, and then you have 4. Remainder 4. There we go. So we have 32 remainder 4 in this situation. There it is. So now we've just tested two numbers, and then clearly at this point we're pretty sure that the remainder is 4. Not definite, but in a standardized test where you're crunched for time, there's no point in making this problem any more complicated than necessary. Go through this, remainder 4, choose that as the answer, you are done. Now, if the problem is something else, not exactly in a standardized test, or they require something more generalized where you have to prove it, then that is something we actually have to rewrite, work out, and that's going to take a lot longer. That might be in a different video. Well, hopefully this helped. This is an amazing problem. Anyone want to use it? Well, here it is, right? See you in the next video.